Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hi everyone, I'm Ananda. I'm the food editor at Real Simple magazine, and today we are making the leftover candy skillet cookie cake. It's perfect for Halloween. It's great if you got overexcited about too much candy, or if the kids came back with a bigger haul than you expected, or you got carried away after Halloween and you saw the sale and you picked up some goodies. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to grease an oven-safe skillet. Today we're going to use a cast iron skillet, which works perfectly, but any other oven-safe skillet works just as well. And you're going to coat that with non-stick cooking spray. We're going to go over to the trash can so we don't get it all over the place. You can also do it all over the sink. You are looking for chocolate bars. You don't want any hard candy in here because you don't want to send anyone to the dentist, right? So if you're working with bigger pieces of candy like peanut butter cups or mini size chocolate bars, you want to chop those up. I actually like having a little bit of texture, so even if just having a mini peanut butter cup is fine too. You don't want to take a batch of pre-made cookie dough, mix it in with candy, and put it in the skillet and bake it off. It's not going to work. It's not going to be as delicious. So you're going to start with 1.5 cups of flour. You're going to mix in 3/4 teaspoons each of baking soda and salt. Okay, so you're whisking the 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons each baking soda and salt until it's nicely incorporated. So for the wet ingredients, you're going to start with melted butter and light brown sugar. Whoop. You are going to mix that over medium-high, and you're going to crack 1 egg at a time into the mix. 1 goes in, second one goes in, get that mixed in, and you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure you're using pure vanilla extract. You don't want any added sugars or anything that you don't really know where it comes from. Okay, so 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract is in, and that is mixing beautifully. Okay, you're going to turn the mixer down to low before you add the flour so it doesn't get all over your hair and all over the counters. Mix it in slow. I'm going to reach over here and slowly help the flour get into the mixing bowl. Make sure you're scraping the sides and the bottom of the mixing bowl. Get everything in there. This is such a smooth cookie dough situation. I'm really into it. It looks beautiful and smooth. Okay, so let's mix that one more time. I would lower it just a tiny bit, medium-low, and start adding your chocolate pieces. We're adding in some M&Ms. You hear that? That's the sound of happiness, basically. And you want to mix them so it's just combined. There's no need to overmix. Pretty combined. Okay, we're stopping it. And I love this because using larger M&Ms, like peanut M&Ms, they kind of just like break up with the mixer, and you're gonna have like little nice sneaky pieces of peanut in there too. Okay, so make sure that with your spatula, get all that cookie dough out of the paddle. Okay, so you're scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl as I've mentioned, and this is what you're looking for. What? Guys, one more time. How good is that? Yeah. Let's grab our prepared skillet. By prepared, I mean nicely greased with non-stick cooking spray so the cookie comes right out. And again, this is leftover candy skillet cookie cake. So it's gonna have a cake-like texture, and it's gonna be moist and light and delicious. You're gonna press down the dough into the skillet and just kind of like smooth the top out a bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be compact, you're just getting it in there. Let's get this in the oven. I know you want to eat raw cookie dough right now, but I promise it's going to be real good once it comes out of the oven. So the skillet cookie cake is going to stay in the oven 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. And then you're going to dig in. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. Check that out. Looks gorgeous. We're going to cut it into squares. If you want to serve it with ice cream, that's totally fine. I think that's a great idea. So make sure that the cookie cake kind of sits for about 10 minutes so it's not super hot, but I really like it warm and I think you will too. And put it on a plate, grab it with your hands, serve it with a fork, put it in your mouth, either or, it works great. This leftover candy skillet cookie cake is super simple, so easy. You want to make it ASAP with all of your favorite leftover candy. The recipe is on realsimple.com. See you next time. If you like what you saw today, click like or subscribe below, down there somewhere.